Hey guys, and welcome back. Thanks again for following me along on my channel. I'm excited to try it. Today I'm going to be doing what is called retiquing. And what that is, it's where you take this little retique set and you make fake wood like this look like real wood. I saw this on Amazon and I immediately ordered it because I thought it looked really cool and kind of just wanted to see if it would actually really work. What it is it's this wood primer, which actually has real wood pieces in it. So you prime it with that, and you put the wood color. They have tons of colors that you can choose from, and I'll show you up close. This is what I chose. I chose this color for the top. And then you use these cool little tools to make it look like real wood. So I'm really excited to try it. It looks really easy, but as always, this is my first time trying it, so I'll let you know how it goes. So I just have this dresser, and I actually do think this is real wood on top, but it's really ugly and old. So I'm gonna sand down the top completely, and then I'm gonna paint the bottom, but with the top, we're gonna do this cool technique of retique it. I'm not being sponsored, unfortunately, so I'll let you know how it goes and see if it works and if I like it, and yeah, thank you for following me along. All right, we're ready to sand this, sand the top, and again, I'm just using my Bosch sander here with 120 grit. Now that we've got the top completely sanded down, which really didn't take that long, we're just gonna clean it really good with vinegar and water. Okay, we're ready to apply the primer, and this is what it looks like. And it says to apply 2 coats of this, and this actually has real wood in it. So let's get started. Okay, we have 2 coats of the primer on this, and now we are going to paint on the wood stain. I'm gonna give you a close up, but it's very specific. It says do not shake, probably doesn't get air bubbles in there. So I just stirred it really well. And then what we're gonna do, is, I actually spilled some on the side. Just gonna paint this on, and then we'll use this tool to go over it and make it look cool. Okay. This gives a little bit better angle here. So I'm going to paint. Then we're going to take this tool. And it looks like wood grain. And if you don't like it, you just paint right over it, like this little spot here. Don't love that. And do it again. Okay, and we're just gonna keep going. So don't stop in the middle because that looked terrible. There we go. Okay. Okay guys, it is confession time. I actually did put another coat of the Retique on and I hated it. So I sanded it all down and I actually sanded the outside down too because I didn't even like the white paint. So that was not my plan, but this is the first time that I've done this and I just didn't like the way it turned out. And so I know that you can do 2 coats, but honestly, as you can see here, I really think it looks better with 1. So I reapplied everything and I just did 1 nice even coat. And you can see there that it really does look like wood grain. And so I sanded the outside and I used a different color. And then I chose these modern gold knobs. So really all together, I think it looks way better. That being said, this was actually really easy. If you guys are thinking about trying the whole Retique set, I say go for it. The only problem, like I said, was the edge that I had a problem with because it kind of built up. So I would, instead of putting paint on the edges, I would apply it to the top and then take your little tool and just run over. Don't actually paint on the sides. I did that and it didn't work out and it didn't look good and I didn't like it. So anyways, tell me your thoughts. I'm gonna go ahead and get this staged. Okay, so tell me what you think. Again, I think it's really cool and they have all kinds of different colors. So if you didn't like the bluish gray, they have stuff that looks more wood color. They have tons of colors. So tell me what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you hate it? It was honestly way easier than I thought it would be. And does look way better with 1 coat, in my opinion. So again, thanks for watching. I'll have a picture at the end of the stage and looking cuter. Please feel free to comment, tell me what you think, hit like and subscribe if you think I deserve it. And thanks for watching my channel.